This evening, fire the board. Why the opposition is demanding the dismissal of the CMU Board of Directors. Opposition Senator defends breast man statement. And after weeks of delay, Criminal Records Office now reopened.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Well, remember the 20% stake that the government has in JPS? The Prime Minister says those shares will be sold on the stock market, and I'll tell you when in the business day.
Okay, thank you, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Jordan for a look at what's coming up in sports. Jordan?
Well, Herman, some of Jamaica's heroes of the recently concluded Doha World Championships are already back in the island. I'll tell you who they are and what they had to say in Primetime Sports Monday.
Looking forward to that. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your thoughts on Senator Dr. Andre Houghton's "I'm a breast man" remark made in the Senate on Friday?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.